CAE River flood product for the following counties in South Carolina, Fairfield, and Lancaster. Flood warning remains in effect until further notice. What major flooding is occurring and major flooding is forecast? This approaches a flood occurred. Where? Watery River at Lake Watery. When? Until further notice. Impacts. At 100.4 feet, the piers on the Wildlife Road Bridge over Singleton Creek become submerged. At 102.5 feet, roadways near Beaver Creek become flooded. At 103.0 feet, homeowners on low-lying property have to move belongings out of basements or from under raised houses. Boat launch on U.S. Highway 1 at the lake closed due to flood water. At 105.0 feet, roads and homes nearest the lake shore flood. Flooded roads isolate areas extending from the lake shore.